Gillian Giraffe and Billu Bear were neighbors. Gillian was a goldsmith, Billu was a blacksmith. Gillian considered himself superior to Billu. Hey, my job brings more money. My job is decent than yours. Gillian would often humiliate Billu. But Billu did not bother Gillian's comments. Gillian designed and made costly gold jewelries. He also repaired and remolded jewelries. His showroom looked very pretty. Billu had a shed where he used to make items like iron gates, railings, metal furniture, and tools. Billu's work involved a lot of hammering, bending, cutting, and welding the metals that made lots of sound which Gillian did not like. Once it rained heavily for many days, causing flood. The heavy wind also damaged many buildings. Billu repaired his shed soon after the rain stopped. Gillian showroom's signboard, window grills, and some furniture were also damaged. Hey, you have an expert at your neighborhood. Billu entered Gillian's showroom smilingly and said, when I need to repair my gold jewelry, I will seek your help. But now you need my help. Gillian's face faded. Billu took a note of the damages occurred at the showroom and did the necessary repairing works. No work is superior or inferior in itself. Work is work, and let us respect each other. Billu said to Gillian, I cannot do your job as you cannot do mine. Can we do a carpenter's job or a tailor's job? Billu's simple question made Gillian realize the fact. Gillian hugged Billu and apologized for his rude behavior.